Hello everyone, welcome to this course on Essential of Object-Oriented Design and Programming. In this presentation, we are going to discuss DQ concept which belongs to the sequential container. In sequential container, the DQ support push and pop operation from both ends. In regular queue, actually the element is added in the rear end and then the element is removed in the front end. But in the DQ concept, we can insert and remove element from both front and rear. It means what? So in the front side, right, where we can insert the element, where we can delete the element. Similarly, the rear side, where we can insert the element, we can delete the element. It means what? We can insert or delete operation is done both side. So what is the characteristic of DQ? Dynamic size container. It support random access using index. And next one is the fast insertion and deletion at both end. The element are not stored in the continuous memory locations. It is more flexible than vector for the front end operation. And next methods of queue. First one is the insert. So insert the element and return the iterator that point to the first of the newly inserted element. And next one is or begin, that is the reverse, right? Reverse begin. It will return the reverse iterator which point to the last element of the DQ. And next one is reverse end. It will return the reverse iterator which point to the position before the beginning of the DQ. And next one is C begin, that is the constant begin. It will return the constant iterator which will point to the first element of the container. That is, the iterator cannot use to modify, only traverse the DQ. And a max size. It will return the maximum number of elements that the DQ container can hold. And next one is the assign. The assign the value to the same or different DQ container. And next one is the resize, the function which change the size of the DQ. And next two functions, push front. So now push the element into the DQ from the front side. Next one is a push back. Push the element into the DQ from the back side. Pop front. Pop means what? Remove, right? Remove element from the front. Pop back means remove the element from the back side. And front, it will reference to the first element in the DQ container. Back, it is the reference, the last element of the DQ. Clear. Remove all the element of the DQ container, thus making its size is 0. Erase. It will remove the element from the container from specified position or some of the ranges. And next one is the empty. Check if the DQ container is empty or not. And next one is the size. It will return the size of the DQ container or the number of elements in the DQ container. Okay. Now here we are going to apply this all the function. Now we are going to build one program. So we will see the responsible and the result of the functions. So here void show is one of the functions. So what is the role of this function? Simply it will display the content of the DQ. So start from the beginning, then it will reach the end of the DQ, then every iteration, then it will get the value from the DQ, then it will show them. So it will, what is the main function of the show here? It will simply display the content of the DQ. So here the main program, here the object is created from the DQ. So now we are going to push the value in the DQ. So two way we can push, right? Front side also you can insert the value and back side also you can insert the value. So now push back 10. So now the 10 is inserted. And next one is push front 20. So the 20 is inserted here, front, right? Then the 30 is inserted in the back side. So the 30 is inserted in the back side. And then the 15 is inserted in the front side. So now 15 is inserted in the front side. So again, so here after that, if you want to see the content of the TQ, then we will call the functions. Automatically it will show like that 15, 20, 10 and 30. Again, if you are calling the size, it will tell the number of element in the DQ. How many element? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then D dot max size, it will tell the maximum size here. And at 2 means what? What is the second position element? 0, 1, 2. What is the value here? 10, that will be front. Then what is the front of the DQ? 15. What is the back side of the DQ? That is 30, that will be front. Then pop front. So pop front means what? That is the front value, right? So now it is deleted. So what is the remaining value? 20, 10, 30. And pop back means what? It will remove the backside value. So here here the backside value removed, right? So what is the remaining value? Only 20 and 10. So this is the way. So we are going to build the program using the inbuilt functions. Thank you.